Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Henry Got Hustle, and in today's video I'm gonna be going to another Ross. Brand new day. Hopefully I can find some good stuff, and yeah, as always I'll show you guys some footage inside and I'll show you guys my pickups, and yeah, let's go guys. Alright guys, got my mask on. Now I'm heading into the store. Let's do this, let's go. And you guys, you already know we go to the men's section first all the time. Heading on over there. Let's go. Alright guys, so here's the men's section. Let's give you guys a quick little look. I mean, they got some like Adidas like this. These don't really sell for that much. If they're clearance, I probably would get them, but not for that price. Have like some random, I think these are baseball cleats. Not for that price, $17. Clearance, yes. Definitely not those for 46 bucks. This don't even have a price. 40 bucks. Probably not. Got like some random Vans right here. 30 bucks. I mean, if you're copying for the personal, not bad, but not to resell. These Kobe's right here. I actually didn't even see these. 50 bucks. I'm gonna look these up, but I don't think that model sells for that much. But it doesn't hurt to look up. That's the thing when you're in this reselling game, guys, is that sometimes if you see something that just catches your eye, you just gotta look it up. Just gotta look it up, because sometimes it could end up paying out really good, and it only takes a couple seconds to look it up, so why not? These are 40 bucks. Maybe if they're like a Ultra Boost or something, but not for that model. And then just some random like Adidas, these. Then just, I don't know, just whatever that is. And then let me see these. Here's some, oh wow. Were these someone's personal pair and they just left it here? What the heck, are you serious right now? These are actually kind of cool. I was gonna look these up, but never mind. What the? That was weird. Alright, next aisle. See what we got. Some more Adidas. I've never seen these before, but I looked these up last time and they weren't going for too much, but these are like volleyball shoes for women, I guess. So that's pretty cool. I've never seen those before. I bought these before in the past. These are baseball cleats. The retail price is like $130, so it's pretty high, but those don't sell that good, to be honest, so I'm not gonna pick those up anymore unless they're like really cheap. Everything else is just like the same, nothing else really. Yeah, I mean, and these 30 bucks, not for, especially because these don't even come with the spikes. If they're like $3 or something, I've been picking up some, they're like 3 bucks or whatever. So if they don't come with the size with the 3 bucks, I'll pick them up, but not for 30 bucks. Definitely not. And yeah, everything else is here is the same, to be honest. Just some whatever stuff. Just nothing. These Vans are pretty cool though. Like I said, personal. 30 bucks, cool. Not to resell. These are 30 bucks. I'll look these up, but we'll see. I'll look them up. This is what my cart's looking like right now though, guys. I'm not taking all this for sure. Just gonna look up some of this stuff and I'll show you what it is. Just more random Adidas, more random shoes. It's like whatever, to be honest. Soccer cleats, but lower end model, so I don't really mess with the lower end models, to be honest, because not much profit, and they're normally not usually kind of pricey, like the same as the higher end models, so I usually don't mess with it, to be honest, but we'll see. Let me show you guys the bigger. It's like the size 11 and up right here. I kind of already looked through everything right here, but I'm just showing you guys what there is. Not much. You have a ton of these like big shoes over here. A lot of Hyper Dunks, but they're really big sizes. Let me in the comments if you pick these up for 25 bucks. I think they're Reebok. Yeah, Reebok, 25 bucks. I don't know if you cop. I was looking at these Ultra Boosts. They're size 18. They're not even on clearance, so definitely not even picking those up at all for that price. And I've been seeing a lot of people find these React Jordans for like really clearance, but they're full price. I think they're like 50 bucks, so I'm not even gonna bother on those. Maybe if they're like maybe 20 bucks, maybe, but anything under 20 I'd probably pick it up. some other Adidas. Yeah, let's go to women's now. Show you what the women's section has. This is what I have for right now. Just gonna look it up like I said, and then I'll show you. Alright guys, we're at the women's section now. Start at the smallest size. Like some random stuff. Random Nikes, 40 bucks as a pass. So like baseball cleats. Those are like cheaper. So I'm not gonna pick any of those up. Let's see these at the other Ross I went to. They had a lot of these on clearance, but this one looks like this one doesn't have any clearance unless they already had it and they kind of just other people already bought it. 35 bucks for these. That's a resellable, cool to like for a personal or something. Let's see here. I literally just bought like a ton of these at the other one for $10. I'm not even gonna bother. $26.99. That's interesting. I'll look them up. I'll look them up. See, $19.99. Nah. 10 bucks, I'll pick them up, but not for 20. I think yeah, 40 bucks. For these, nah. Pegasus, 50. Not for 50, but maybe if they're on clearance, I pick them up. Just some slides, other random stuff. Some more stuff. It's like cheaper Adidas. More cheaper model Adidas. A bunch of lower end stuff. Let's see the other section. So far the women's section is looking kind of dry, to be honest. Got more of this. Like Boost. Adidas. What are these? Solar Court. High retail price. I looked those up in the past, but not really worth anything. More $19.99. I think all the ones that were $9.99, I think everyone picked them up already because there's only $19.99 here. I'll go around since there's another lady here. So you guys, this is the reality of Ross. You gotta always go around people. They're always in your way. It's kind of different. It looks like stuff like you go like hiking kind of, I guess. But like sandals. More 50. These are always so like overpriced, honestly. Random stuff, 40. It's like Converse, 20 bucks. More of these gold shoes, 25 bucks. That's a pass. $29.99. If they're cheaper, I'd get them. See, $38. 32. 46. The lady over there, that's hustling big time. I respect that. That's what's up. Let's see, $9.99. See, that's what I'm talking about. $9.99. I picked those up all day. See, 30. You see, $34.99, and you got these for $9.99. Oh, focus. What's up with that, bro? Come on. I know that you guys get different shipments, and some come sooner than others. That's how you guys do that. But like, come on, really? Come on, Ross. What's up with that? These Under Armours. some Adidas, 28 bucks. Some other Nikes. With the spikes and everything, but those don't sell that much. I bought on some of those on clearance for like 3 bucks. Not for that price. I'm hoping to find something crazy. I want to find something good. $19.99. Yeah, everyone picked up the $9.99s. Some Reacts for $50. Some Reacts. I haven't found anything like this. I heard this Reacts don't really sell that good, but I'll look up that colorway because sometimes specific colorways sell better. So I'll look it up, but probably not gonna sell for much, to be honest with you guys. Just like I said, a bunch of other random stuff. Nothing else really catching my eye, to be honest. I came with my mom, so I'm gonna show these to her. See if she even likes them. But I won't buy those. Not to resell. I know a lot of other people like buy stuff like that. Like a lot of other people know, and they buy a bunch of discounted stuff that's like even high heels or something like that. Personally, I'm not into that, so I won't buy it. But I know I can still make money, but it's not really my thing, to be honest. Yeah, more $9.99. $19.99 again.
Okay, yeah. I have those.
$9.99. Okay, so I'm looking through the kids section. A lot of people sleep on the kids section, but this Ross's kids section is like super packed. So I'm gonna look through everything. That was funny because the ladies that work here, they're all like, oh, do you know? Because there's a guy who wanted to know if they sell baseball cleats, and he was all like, oh, do you guys sell baseball cleats? And then when I had barely like gotten there, and then they're all discussing it between them. I was like, oh yeah, these are baseball cleats and these are baseball cleats. And they're like, wait, how did you know that those are baseball cleats? They're all tripping out. Alright guys, yeah, there's a lot, so I'm just gonna look through it and I'll show you guys if I find anything from the kids section. Alright guys, so I'm about to tell you why exactly you need to look through the kids section anyways, even if most of the time, probably 99.9% of the time, they don't have anything good. Look what I just found in the kids section right here. What does that price say? $19.99 for these Air Max 270s, I believe they're called, for 20 bucks. And they're kid size 3, so it's not a super bad size. And for 20 bucks, I mean, come on. You know I gotta pick that up. Like stuff like that, where you find stuff like that, like, come on, that's a no-brainer. I found other couple stuff. I'm about to look it up, see what's worth it, see what's not. And in the end, I'll show you guys my haul. Alright guys, I'm about to look up all this stuff. My quite's looking crazy. It's because a lot of this is clearance stuff, to be honest. It's like really cheap. So most of it I kind of know by like, because I've looked it up in the past. But yeah, look it up. Let's go. Hi guys. Alright guys, so this is everything that I'm getting. I'm getting a lot of stuff right now. I'll show you more details at the house when I get to my house. And I'm getting this Tommy suitcase because I don't have a suitcase. It's really nice. It's only $22. So I'm gonna get this. Oh, sorry. Oh, well, I'm gonna pay. Okay.